The check engine light is your vehicle's way of communicating that something needs attention. Understanding what it means can save you time, money, and prevent serious damage. A solid check engine light indicates a non-critical issue. While it's generally safe to drive short distances, you should get it diagnosed within a few days to prevent further damage. A flashing check engine light signals a severe engine misfire or critical malfunction. This can damage your catalytic converter within minutes, so you must stop driving immediately and seek assistance. To diagnose check engine light issues, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. Modern scanners now feature AI-powered diagnostics, Bluetooth connectivity, and real-time monitoring capabilities. The most common diagnostic codes in 2024 include P0420 and P0430 for catalytic converter efficiency issues, accounting for 28% of all codes. P0171 and P0174 indicate the system is running too lean, while P0300 through P308 represent engine misfires. Modern diagnostic apps like Torque Pro, Blue Driver, and OBD Fusion provide real-time monitoring through Bluetooth-enabled adapters. These apps offer live data streaming and comprehensive diagnostic capabilities right from your smartphone. Since catalytic converter efficiency codes are the most common, it's important to understand how this component works. The catalytic converter uses a catalyst substrate and oxygen sensors to convert harmful emissions into water, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Remember, always address the root cause before resetting the check engine light. Simply clearing codes without fixing the underlying problem will cause the light to return and may lead to more expensive repairs down the road. Once your check engine light is on, fixing it requires a systematic diagnostic approach followed by proper reset procedures. First, connect an OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard near the steering wheel. The scanner will retrieve diagnostic trouble codes and freeze-frame data, which shows the exact conditions when the fault occurred. Next, monitor live data to see real-time sensor readings and perform a visual inspection for obvious issues like loose connections or damaged components. After identifying and fixing the root cause, you can reset the check engine light. The most reliable method is using your OBD2 scanner's Clear Codes function. After resetting, your vehicle's computer needs to complete a drive cycle to run all self-tests. This typically involves driving under various conditions for 50 to 100 miles. Ignoring a check engine light for 6 months or more can increase repair costs by an average of 340%. Early diagnosis and repair can save you over $1,200. Seek professional help immediately for flashing check engine lights, multiple diagnostic codes, emission system failures, or any engine performance issues. These situations require specialized equipment and expertise.